In this video, I will reveal 5 ways you can live the CEO life today using a free software that has recently exploded onto the scene. Can you imagine your life without a computer or smartphone? How different would your day-to-day life and work be? Microsoft founder and billionaire Bill Gates has called the new AI we will be discussing today the most groundbreaking advancement in technology since he first laid eyes on a modern graphical desktop back in 1980. That's an extraordinary claim from the man who brought us Microsoft and the personal computer, which led to the digital age we know today. Gates believes ChatGPT and similar AI models are poised to transform our world as much as, if not more than, the computer did. Incredible, right? Now you might be wondering, Will, isn't this a channel about money? Don't worry, we won't dive into any software code or technical details today. Instead, prepare to explore ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI that's reshaping our lives, boosting our productivity, and propelling us toward unparalleled success. In this video, we'll guide you through the 5 ways you can harness this AI-powered assistant to completely revolutionize your personal and professional life, placing you in the CEO seat with a team of professionals eager to help you live your dream life. Hey guys, it's Will. Welcome back to Money Maps, where our mission is to help you navigate your financial success with expert guidance and practical steps from the brightest minds in money. In today's video, we'll see how this groundbreaking technology catapults you into the CEO lifestyle. With a wealth of features and new capabilities emerging daily, we've picked 5 we love, knowing you'll probably find more to add after watching this video. We will introduce each feature as a new staff member now at your service, 24/7, free of charge. Let's meet your new team. Expert 1. Efficient researcher and personal tutor. Ever find yourself scrambling to gather information for a presentation or report? ChatGPT, your personal research assistant, is here to save the day. Simply provide a topic or a specific question, and ChatGPT will generate a concise, informative response based on its vast knowledge, sparing you hours of research. Think of it as having your very own full-time Googler at your disposal. Stay ahead of the game with ChatGPT's remarkable summarization capabilities. Forget about sifting through lengthy articles or documents. This AI will quickly supply you with a concise, easy-to-understand summary, empowering you to make informed decisions in record time. Just ask it a question like you would Google. But this time, imagine having the entire internet summarized for you into a 3-point list, an essay, or even a poem. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also act as your personal tutor, offering explanations, guidance, and resources to help you master new subjects or skills. Whether you're studying for an exam or learning a new language, AI is here to help. Interact with it just like you would text a friend, only this friend has memorized all of Wikipedia and the internet. Expert 2, the ultimate personal assistant. No CEO's team would be complete without an executive assistant, and ChatGPT is here to fill that role seamlessly. Always at your service, this AI-driven assistant is ready to transform your productivity. A crucial responsibility of an executive assistant is scheduling and organization. ChatGPT excels in this area by helping you manage your calendar, set up appointments, and send reminders. Just provide the necessary details, and ChatGPT will generate the text, which you can then save, send, or even automate using your favorite calendar app. Have you ever found it challenging to keep up with note-taking during meetings? With ChatGPT, those days are over. Simply set it up to listen to the conversation, and it will generate organized, concise meeting notes, highlighting key points and action items. Bid farewell to messy, handwritten notes. For anyone interested in paid AI services, your new AI executive assistant can handle tasks such as email management, appointment scheduling, and reminders, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. By integrating ChatGPT into your work, you'll experience the benefits of having a personal assistant that's always at the ready to help you streamline your day-to-day tasks and reach your goals more efficiently. Expert 3. Creative Brainstormer. Have an upcoming brainstorming meeting and looking for a creative boost? ChatGPT is a game changer. As your brainstorming partner, This AI-driven tool can unleash your creativity and inspire ideas in any project. Whether you need ideas for blog posts, social media content, or even ad copy, ChatGPT is here to help. Simply give it a prompt or guidelines, and watch as it generates unique, engaging content tailored to your needs. Say goodbye to writer's block. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll have access to countless ideas and creative solutions, allowing you to unlock your full potential and make your mark on the world. Expert 4. Versatile writer, proofreader, and editor. Do you ever find yourself spending too much time perfecting an email or writing a piece of content? ChatGPT is your go-to writing partner that saves you time and effort. Whether you need a creative touch or a professional tone, our AI can transform your key points or rough drafts into polished, top-quality content, from blog posts and articles to speeches and press releases. But that's not all. ChatGPT also excels in proofreading and editing. Say goodbye to grammatical errors and readability issues as our AI refines your writing style, ensuring your work is always polished and professional. Expert 5. Multilingual Translator. In today's interconnected world, getting past language barriers is more important than ever. With ChatGPT's translation capabilities, you can effortlessly communicate with international partners and clients. This AI lets you translate your messages instantly, bridging the gap between languages and cultures. Bonus expert, personal dietitian. And now, as a bonus, we've got something special for you to help maintain a healthy work-life balance. Meet ChatGPT, your personal dietitian. With this AI-powered nutrition expert, you'll receive a weekly meal plan tailored to your calorie allowance, dietary preferences, and health goals. But that's not all. ChatGPT will also create a categorized shopping list, making your grocery runs a breeze by grouping items by section. Imagine picking up all your dairy items in one go. So, after a long day at work, you can rely on ChatGPT to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle and keep you on track. This is just the beginning of the professionals you can tap into using ChatGPT. From creative arts to countless other fields, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. With new tools and applications emerging every day, the sky's the limit. What did you think of our list? How does it feel to have a virtual dream team of experts at your fingertips, available 24/7 to help you achieve your goals and live that CEO life? Will you be adopting any of these ideas this week to save money and level up your game? If you think we missed any on our list, be sure to leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas and found value in them, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more expert guidance and practical tips from the best minds in money.